Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest clips caught on driver's dashcam. And of course, we'll start today's episode off with an epic road rage between two drivers over a turn signal. Stay tuned for this one. The crazy Chevy driver tried to cut right in front of the camera and cause a fight, simply because the camera indicated while making a lane change. This didn't sit quite well with the Chevy driver for some odd reason, and it came to a heated confrontation.
What color is that green arrow? This loser squandered a green arrow, and at a minimum, this guy failed to honk at him. It looks like we both work for a living, so why are we letting them get away with that? So what kind of lane is that supposed to be?
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle.
It's a good thing that the camera was already slowing down as soon as he saw the indicators of the driver right in front of him. Otherwise, it would have been really hectic. Rude, and a self-entitled BMW driver is using a left turn lane only, simply to get ahead in traffic. And this is definitely not a role model for you. camera came across a wrong-way driver, and instead of raging and yelling at each other, the issue was resolved quickly. The wrong-way driver raised his hand, apologized, turned around, and everything was good. In this video, you will see some of the most careless and reckless parking maneuvers ever caught on driver's dashcam. Please, pay close attention and do better, because I know we all can definitely do better, at least when it comes to parking.
Forever, and you know it. Alright? Okay. We're going to do some new music from Parkway Drive. Led Zeppelin is on the way. Ooh, if you're thinking I have some sort of something to bring. Of the Mountain Morning Show with Tom Owen.
Van driver got upset because the camera passed him, and the whole circus show started to develop from here on. Check out how this rude van driver started to chase the camera down, and at one point he's about to try and cut him off, but he won't be so successful.
Green light, you dumb bitch. Christ, dude.
We got a lot going on in this video. A crazy and raging BMW driver was cutting and brake checking everyone in traffic. Before you know it, we have a karma cop on the scene, but unfortunately, he didn't manage to catch the driver.
这辆车不让他，所以他突然冲出去挤他一下，吓死我了，神经病呢！啊，警察来了！嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻嘻！啊，但没有逮他。我想离那个人远点，那个人开车太疯了，你们刚才没看到吗？
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would be a great deal for us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date to all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open, people.